Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. We currently have news coming in from BingX that their hot wallet could have been hacked, right? We just saw $35 million leave a wallet very quickly. And so Bitcoin currently trading around $62,000, $771 right now. And we can see we are coming up to the resistance line that we have previously bounced off of in the past. And so we can see we have hit that multiple times here since March. Just previously, back in August here, we had a reversal, went all the way back down and bounced off the support line around $52,000. And so we are back to that resistance level here. And so this is something to be paying attention to here as we are coming up to this resistance here. We could definitely bounce back off of that and have a reversal here, heading back down to around $51,000. And so that is something to be paying attention to. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the BingX wallet here though. This has not been confirmed yet. However, there is suspicions that this has been a hacked wallet here. This is a hot storage wallet here for BingX. Now it was holding around $35 million. And we can see there was a significant sell-off here. Now let's drop from about $35 million down to $272,000. And so we are seeing a ton of selling taking place here on BingX. And so there is potential that this could be hacked. And so if you're holding your money on BingX, I recommend maybe moving that off, moving it to a cold storage wallet. That is the best place to be holding your cryptocurrencies, especially if you are planning on holding long-term, right? Go ahead and buy one there fairly cheap in comparison to the amount of money that you could be making in cryptocurrencies. And so I definitely recommend checking one of those out. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the fear and greed index here. And so we can see we are currently at 54. Last week we had a fear of 32, right? Last month we were down to 26 here. And so things have definitely changed, right? I mean, I remember just a couple of weeks ago, everyone was fearful in the markets as Bitcoin was falling down to the low $50,000. Now we're up to $63,000 and the bullish sentiment is coming back. And so we're definitely going to have those fluctuations in the price of Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market. So let's go ahead and take a look at the liquidations here. And so this is the liquidation map here. We can see we are getting close here to having some liquidation of long positions. And so, if we have Bitcoin fall back down to about $61,000, we will liquidate about $580 million of positions. And so, this could start causing some drastic price drops in Bitcoin. And so, this is definitely something to be paying attention to as well here. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at this. We have some good news for Bitcoin as well. We have El Salvador continuing to buy more and more Bitcoin. They are now holding 5,878 Bitcoin. And so, we have another country here that has also been acquiring Bitcoin since 2019 through mining operations. Bhutan here is now holding 13,000 Bitcoin, right? This is more than double the holdings of El Salvador. And so El Salvador has been continually buying Bitcoin. However, they have been doing that publicly. They have shared the wallet address that they're storing the Bitcoin in. Where we have Bhutan here has been doing this very quietly, right? They have been continuing to mine more and more Bitcoin. And so they now hold 13,000, right? And so think about all the other countries that are potentially quietly accumulating Bitcoin. Everyone does not have to publicly come out and say that they are buying Bitcoin. And so there's a lot of this that's taking place. There could be corporations or very wealthy individuals that are quietly accumulating Bitcoin. And so this is definitely something to keep in mind as well. As more and more people continue to buy more Bitcoin, we're going to have a lot of these fearful events, right? Or FUD in the markets. And I definitely think that is something to keep in mind. However, if we take a look at the bigger picture of Bitcoin, right, we have a lot of very good information. We're seeing a ton of accumulation through the BlackRock ETF and a lot of demand for Bitcoin. And I think the future of Bitcoin looks very bright. And so that is definitely something that I am looking at the big picture here. We're having a lot of fluctuations in the price, whether we're at $63,000 or we're all the way down to about $49,000, right? I mean, we have seen those fluctuations take place over the last month or two. And so if you enjoyed this video and you found it to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for future content. And also, make sure to check out the link underneath the video to Margex if you're interested in leverage trading cryptocurrencies. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.